Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make roll cake squishy. First, ensure your ingredients are at room temperature for a smooth batter. Sift your cake flour to incorporate air, which contributes to a lighter texture. Gently fold in your dry ingredients, being careful not to overmix. Overmixing develops gluten, making the cake less tender. Bake your cake at the correct temperature for the specified time to prevent drying out. To achieve that perfect squishy texture, ingredient preparation is crucial. Separate your egg whites and yolks carefully. Whip the egg whites to soft peaks. This creates a stable foam that adds significant volume and lightness to your cake. When combining, gently fold the whipped whites into the batter in 2 or 3 additions. This technique preserves the air you've incorporated, leading to a wonderfully soft and airy crumb. Baking and rolling are critical steps for a squishy roll cake. Bake your batter on parchment paper in a sheet pan, ensuring even thickness. Once baked, immediately invert the warm cake onto a clean, sugared tea towel. Gently peel off the parchment paper. While still warm, roll the cake up tightly with the towel inside. This helps the cake set its shape and prevents cracking as it cools, maintaining its soft, pliable texture. After rolling, let your cake cool completely in its rolled shape. This step is vital for the cake to hold its form without cracking when unrolled. Once cool, gently unroll it and spread your desired filling evenly. A light whipped cream or fruit jam works wonderfully without adding too much weight. Re-roll the cake tightly and chill it for at least 1 hour before slicing. Remember to check the description for the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.